One of the most exciting series of workshops that we've done in the last several years is the round of workshops around computational thinking. How we got started was we actually received a grant, and we were working with Cornell Tech to take the computational thinking concepts and approaches that they had worked with and developed and bring them into schools by teaching teachers how to engage with those computational thinking concepts and approaches. Computational thinking is much more than that as well. It's about thinking processes and how we solve problems. So thinking processes and problem solving. How can we use a set of rules or an algorithm to solve similar problems? How can we use the computational thinking concepts and approaches to engage in critical thinking? Computational thinking is about coding and computer science, but it's also about thinking critically, problem solving, and solving problems. One of my favorite things that we do in the computational thinking workshops is the very first thing that we do on the first day of the workshop. And we have teachers solve a problem or attempt to solve a problem called the taxi cab problem. It's really fascinating to see all of the different problem-solving approaches that people take to solve this problem. There are a myriad number of approaches that people take. It really uncovers how we think about problem solving, what are people's thought processes, and how can we use information about how people solve problems to better implement computational thinking in our classrooms.